He's trying out eh. Yeah, nagta-try out siya. We confirmed that his current contract is expired. And so sabi namin, since wala pa siyang team, wala pa siyang offer, he's welcome to try out. But you know, other than that, it's all up. That's why he's not in our lineup, he's not here because we don't consider him part of our team yet.
So wala siya dun sa lineup na sinubmit niyo sa PBA?
Wala. Well, that still remains to be seen because he's not yet completed our tryouts. He's come in just very recently, so we have a lot of evaluating to do.
But may spot pa ang team?
Oh, we gave a 15-man lineup already. So if he will make the team, then we have to put someone down. But right now, we're planning as if he's not going to be in our roster.
Coach, clarify lang, under contract pa rin siya o expired na yung contract?
Hindi, ang pagkasabi sa amin ni Gio and his agent, he's expired.
Expired na.